This episode of Mr. Hutchings History is now streaming on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube, and all your favorite platforms like Castbox, Podcast Addict, and Amazon Music. Tune in now. Social Emotional Learning, SEL, isn't an extra task. It's a game changer for student success. Let's explore simple, effective ways to embed SEL into your daily teaching. Why is SEL essential? SEL strengthens emotional intelligence, improves behavior, and enhances learning. But many teachers feel unprepared to implement it. The good news? You don't need extra time, just smart strategies. Try the feelings wheel. Help students identify emotions in texts and real life. In The Outsiders, students can analyze Ponyboy's emotions and reflect on their own experiences. Use psychology to build self-awareness. Students can explore Romeo's catastrophic thinking and connect it to real-life decision-making. Music and drama boost emotional expression. Students can compose melodies that reflect emotions or role-play social scenarios to practice empathy and teamwork. Try the zones of regulation. Students check in daily using color-coded emotions. Or use bite-sized activities like belly breathing before a test to reduce stress. No extra time? No problem. Embed SEL into daily lessons. Use quick decision-making exercises in history, or start class with a one-word emotional check-in. SEL isn't an add-on. It's a tool for better learning and classroom culture. Try one strategy this week and see the difference. Learn more and get resources at CASEL and Edutopia.
Like, comment, and subscribe.